Hello there. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the camera in CreateStudio to create smooth zooms and pans, which means movement to the left, right, up, or down. Now keep in mind, compared to other 3D software, CreateStudio doesn't support real 3D camera angles. It's just a 2D camera feature. All right, let's get started. All right, we're starting with a zoom in. Head over to the left panel, click on Effects and Components, and then select Components. Now drag the camera onto your canvas. As soon as you do, you'll notice a camera layer appear in your timeline. Right-click on the camera layer and select Add Animation to start creating your camera movement. Select the animation. You'll see the camera frame on your canvas. The playhead before the animation marks your start point. Now move the playhead after the animation and adjust the camera size. I'll make it smaller so it zooms in on the character. If you want to adjust the easing of the camera movement, just right-click on the animation and select Easing. Now let's say I want to move the camera from here to the screen. Simply add another camera animation, set the playhead after the animation, and move the camera frame on your canvas to the screen. Now let's zoom out and go back to the full canvas view. Add another camera animation, place the playhead after it, then go to the settings in the left panel and click Expand Camera. To adjust the camera movement speed, drag the animation bar to make it shorter or longer. You can also click and drag the bar itself to change the start point of the animation. Another way to control the camera view, without using the actual camera feature, is by using a scrolling background. First, let's group the background and the character together so they move as one. Next, make your background larger than the canvas and place it where you want the animation to begin. Now select the background and add a position animation and set the easing to linear. Then, move the playhead to the end of the animation and drag the background to its final spot. In my case, I'm centering it. This can be useful when you want your character to appear as if they're walking, without animating their position. Let me show you how it works. If you want to learn more about walking animations, check out the 3D character animation walking scenes tutorial. It's easy to follow with helpful tips. You can slow down the background movement by stretching the animation. This helps match the walking speed of your character. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Wishing you a wonderful and creative day.